Department of Mechanical Engineering organized guest lecture on March 14, 2026. Topic: Internal Combustion Engines, Evolution, Challenges and Sustainable Future. With heartfelt thanks to our guest speaker, Dr. D.B. Shivakumar, Assistant Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering, University College of Engineering, BIT Campus, Anna University, Tiruchirappalli.
Shanmuganathan Engineering College, Arasampatti, Pudukkottai.
Shanmuganathan Engineering College, Admission Office 306, Sekkalai Salai, near Periyar Statue, opposite to Farina Supermarket, Karaikudi.